Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah. I am an expert bookkeeper. I've been doing bookkeeping for over 10 years, and I use this channel to share more information about bookkeeping because it truly changed my life, allowed me to be a stay-at-home mom, allowed me to make income from home on my own schedule, and I've helped almost 80,000, I think, other people learn about bookkeeping. So I use this channel just to give you a space to ask questions and to have someone to connect with for more information. Today we're going to talk about how to practice bookkeeping before you get your first client. Now, everybody knows that the first thing I recommend when you want to learn bookkeeping as a beginner is for you to go through the QuickBooks training and the QuickBooks certification. That's totally free. I recommend that for everybody. It's a great foundation for you to learn and understand accounting, understand bookkeeping, understand the difference and what you're going to be doing inside of QuickBooks. It's a great foundation. But I don't recommend you stop there. You need to be practicing before you get your first bookkeeping client. Now, what does it look like to practice bookkeeping? The first thing is QuickBooks has a sample company inside of the profile that you created in Intuit Accountant Suite where you did your certification. So that's one place you can practice. You can practice adding transactions, adding vendors, adding chart of accounts, accepting transactions, what it looks like to link bank accounts. You can run reports. You can do all of those workflows over and over and over again inside of the sample company. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, this is the maybe even more valuable than even playing in the sample company, and most people don't do this. Now, not inside your Intuit Accountant Suite books. Not that that's for your bookkeeping business, but I want you to go on QuickBooksOnline.com. I want you to create a simple start subscription. You could do a free trial if they have one. And I want you to create a QuickBooks for your personal finances. This is where the light bulb usually comes on for people, where they can say, oh, I can do this. Because the QuickBooks training has become so robust and so in-depth, which is great as a beginner, but you don't feel like you need to memorize everything because QuickBooks is now, they offer payroll, sales tax, taxes. They're like a robust accounting software, not just for bookkeepers. So a lot of what you learn, the journal entries, the assets, all of that kind of stuff, usually a CPA or a tax professional is going to be handling that. So don't get stuck on that part feeling like, wow, I have to know all these other higher level accounting things. You definitely don't. And I think that light bulb comes on when you do your own personal finance setup in QuickBooks, because it shows you the parts of QuickBooks you'll use as a bookkeeper and what the workflows will look like. So for example, you're going to go to QuickBooksOnline.com. You're going to choose the simple start plan. You're going to, go through the steps to open the account. Once you're inside the account, you're going to link your personal, maybe it's your debit, maybe it's your personal bank account and your personal credit card, just somewhere where you can pull in a bunch of transactions, right? Then after that, you're going to start categorizing the transactions, creating the chart of accounts, creating your vendors. And it's going to be easy for you to do because you know your own financial data, right? So this is a great hands-on practice where you're going to add all the transactions, you're going to reconcile, you're going to run reports, you're going to do the whole process as if it was for a client. Now, a lot of my members, they end up keeping this personal QuickBooks because it helps them manage their personal finances and be able to run reports and see where they spent. But this is probably the best hands-on practice you're going to have, because even in a lot of courses and things like that, though, yes, I provide tons of samples and mock-ups and things that I have created, but all of my clients that I have NDAs with. So you're not ever really going to find where it's like real live client data on a video or on a training, because everything is usually going to be confidential. So what you're going to be seeing generally is samples, mock-ups, and all of that. This gives you a real opportunity to practice on real transactions that because it's your personal finances. And you don't have to keep the subscription if you don't want. I think it's usually less than $25, $30 a month. You don't have to keep it, but you want to make that little investment to be able to practice and run it, because then you're going to feel like, wow, I just learned all of this, but here's what I'm actually doing as a bookkeeper day to day. Because what you actually do when you only offer simple, basic bookkeeping services is you're making sure accounts are linked, you're adding transactions, you're adding vendors, you're managing the chart of accounts, you're reconciling and running reports. And And the vendors and chart of accounts, that's all actually smushed into adding transactions, because you're going to be customizing the vendor list and the chart of accounts as you go, as you see what you need based on the transactions that come up. Okay, so that is the best way to practice, and I go over a lot of this inside of my free 3-day workshop on School. I have an 80,000 member free community for people who are looking to learn about bookkeeping. You can ask me questions. You can DM me. We have tons of other helpful videos and posts there that you can comment on and interact with other people. But more importantly, under the classroom tab, once you register, there's a free 3-day workshop on day 1. I'm going to go over QuickBooks in depth, the sections you're going to use as a bookkeeper, what you want to practice the most. Day 2, I'm going to show you what it looks like to do it for a real client, the services you want to offer, and how much you want to charge to be profitable. And on day 3, I give you a real 30 to 60 day launch plan, but I go over it on a training video, and you all have a PDF copy of exactly what you need to do, including how to get clients. So I not only show you how to get certified and how to learn and where to practice, I show you setting up your business and the strategies that I use to get clients. So if you want a step-by-step checklist, please right now go into the link in my bio. You can register. You'll get instant, immediate access. Everything's self-paced, so you can binge it all at once, or you can, spread it out over the 3 days, and it'll track your progress as you go, and you'll have access to that and be able to ask me questions, okay? If you have any questions on the specific video, leave them in the comments. If this was helpful for you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.